How to create a poll on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll go through the steps to engage your friends and followers with interactive polls on the platform of Snapchat. So first of all, you have to open the Snapchat application on your mobile device and then access the camera interface. Capture a snap by tapping the capture button or by selecting an existing photo or a video from your phone's gallery. Once your snap is ready, it's time to add a poll sticker to make it interactive. Tap on the sticker icon on the right side of the screen. Then select the poll icon from the sticker options. Type a question in the text box provided, and you can customize the appearance of the poll sticker by changing its color, size, and positions to make it visually appealing. Now, when you're satisfied with the poll sticker, place it anywhere on your snap by tapping and dragging it to a desired location. And before sharing your snap, double check that everything looks good and that the poll is set up the way you want it. Finally, send your snap directly to your friends or add it to your story for all your followers to interact with. By following the simple steps, you can create engaging and interactive polls on Snapchat to gather opinions, spark conversations, and have fun with your friends and followers. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.